Being in a single-seat Spitfire on your own is the most incredible freedom. You have your life in your own hands. There's no automation telling you what you can and can't do like in a modern aircraft. You are free to do exactly what you want, and the aeroplane gives you the maneuverability and the power to allow you to do that.
Well, I always think that when you go into any subject, the Everest of any subject is always interesting. And there is no question that the Everest of flying is a Spitfire. It was the finest, most iconic aeroplane ever built.
Boultbee Flight Academy is the only accredited flight school in the world that trains Spitfire pilots. We started 9 years ago now with an idea, and that being to inspire through this aeroplane that already holds such a special place in so many people's hearts. It is a unique experience flying one of these aircraft, having any access to, and that was really our aim when we set the business up. Almost everyone who comes to this business is going to have one of the best days of their life when they're here. So being a part of them having that experience, being a part of them enjoying that moment, and them having that emotional connection with it as well, the combination of all of that is fantastic.
As a piece of mechanical engineering, I don't think there's anything that has the same inspiration value as a Spitfire.
I think the Spitfire is important to people. It was a symbol of freedom, I guess, back in the 40s. It was something that people looked up, instantly recognised. They could hear it, they knew what it was. And for me as an engineer, it's just it's a marvel of engineering and something that was far ahead of its time.
When you combine the exceptional history, the beautiful sleek lines, and the sound the aeroplane makes, you've got something pretty special.
And that's what you see. When you look at a Spitfire, you are looking at utter perfection.
So the longest flight expedition is Steve Brooks and myself flying a single-seat Mark 9 Spitfire around the world.
A lot of this stuff was designed in the 1930s, and we're flying it quite arduously to show the beauty and awe and let people see this thing for themselves.
I'm really interested to see how this is going to engage on a global scale. It's the first attempt at a global circumnavigation.
Flying this aeroplane around at 2,000 feet around the world will be a completely different experience. We hope to see kids waving at us. We hope to inspire them. People will be able to track us as we go. Like I said right from the outset, this is about inspiring. That will be a fabulous, fabulous way to see the world.